In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Google Maps account. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone or visit Google Maps in your web browser. If you're not already signed in, tap the Sign In button in the top right corner of the screen. Next, enter your Google email address or phone number and tap Next. Then enter your password and complete any verification steps if prompted. Once you've signed in, your Google account will be connected to Google Maps. You'll now be able to access features such as saved places, navigation history, reviews, contributions, and personalized recommendations. You can also sync your favorite locations across devices and access your account information wherever you use Google Maps. If you have multiple Google accounts, tap your profile picture to switch between them at any time. If you're already signed in but want to use a different account, select Add Another Account and follow the login process. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.